So as most of you will already know, I don't normally do videos of this type. So if this video isn't the greatest, I do apologize for that, but I do plan on making videos like this in the future, and I will definitely be using this as sort of a learning experience for those videos. So thank you for watching, and let's get into it.
So when I came home today, this was on my doorstep. Of course, I'm not home right now, but we're going to open this package because I'm excited about it. So this package here is from ThreadBeast. ThreadBeast is a subscription-based program that sends you clothing whenever you want. So this one here is the $80 value package, which actually has a special surprise inside, and I'll show you how to get this surprise later on. So when we open the package here, they have tips for the perfect unboxing. They want you to document, share, and enjoy your ThreadBeast gear. So, inside the package here, we have a letter and some stickers. So, the letter says, "Congratulations on becoming an exclusive ThreadBeast member. This package serves as your first style upgrade. The pieces included are meant to be mixed and matched with with what you currently own in your closet." And then it just gives you some tips on logging in to the ThreadBeast website and ordering any additional packages. So there's that. We'll set that. I'll just hold on to it. They also send you what looks like rules on getting a free package. So if you see here, it says, to get a free package, you must follow them on Facebook, post a picture of the items that you receive in your package to their fan page, make sure to use the hashtag ThreadBeast, and be creative. So, got that. And then this here is a sticker, so that's pretty cool. Then, under all of that, we've got high top fade socks. They're blue with white stars. You see this? Look, come here. You want them? You can have them, because that's not something I'd wear. So right after that, we have a t-shirt here. It's a Levi's t-shirt. Levi's is actually one of my favorite brands, so I will definitely be wearing that. So we'll set that aside here. This next shirt, retro kicks. So it shows a bunch of different, I think those are Nikes? No, not Nikes, Air Jordans throughout the years. Yeah, you can have that. It might be a little big on you, because it's my size, but right after that we got a hat here. It says the hundreds on it. It's pretty cool. I'd probably wear it, to be honest. So that's that there. It's by New Era, I guess. So that's that. Right after that, we have a Echo Unlimited flannel. Just like that. Black and white and gray. That one's nice. Just this, oh wow, this flannel actually has a tag under it, or on it. It's for $44.50. This is the $80 value package. Plus it comes with a surprise that is well worth $80 itself. $44.50 just for this shirt. So you're definitely getting a good deal when you purchase one of these. This last one here, this here we actually opened and looked at already, because these here are just so special. They're Snapchat spectacles. Inside the case, you have another case. This is your charging case for your Snapchat spectacles. So once we open this, you'll see the Snapchat spectacles. The way that you get these with your ThreadBeast purchase is by using the code SPECTACLES, as you see on screen now, and you have to use it at checkout on a $80 or higher value package, and you will get a free pair of spectacles with it. So that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all later.